Word. So my car is tore apart right now. I just got done doing the new butyl tape for the liners and whatnot. But I ran into an issue where for the longest time I could not roll down my right rear window. Just wouldn't work. The fuse would blow. It's a 30 amp. It would blow and I had no idea what was going on. I ended up getting in behind there and found that the previous owner decided to drill a screw through the wall or through the door and right into that wire harness that sits right behind where that speaker mounts. Nice. So I had this problem, I fixed it, I fixed the wiring, but it still wouldn't work. So this guy, we're not gonna worry about this guy down here because this is for speaker stuff, because I'm doing the speakers right now, but this is for the door. This is your master control switch, right? Mounts as so, but this is how I'm gonna have that situated. So these guys, same ones. This is a new switch. I'm also sick, so I apologize. I'm gonna be coughing a lot, but I'm gonna try to edit out. So I looked at the way that this went into this connector over here, and that's how I got this stuff set up. So white over here and yellow green over here. So when it gets inserted, that's what you're looking at, right? Because it's got to be mirrored. So this one over here, my buddy Douglas was kind enough to be able to print off a wiring diagram, and what I came to find out was that a lot of contacts share the same. So number one, which is your white wire, goes off to blue, blue, black, or the green, yellow, the red, black, black, green, blue, white, and black, yellow, I believe. Something like that, something along those lines. But what ended up not happening is that white does not tie into the green, yellow. So I suspect that this issue had been going on for a while and it just shorted out the board, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna have these in the same way. I'm gonna have it as this guy, so I'll have to flip this around. So from this way, white, which is your top left one, is supposed to make contact with quite a few of these points. Now I have this to where my multimeter tells me, hey, this is actually making contact. So on this bad one over here, from the white, right, I am making contact, not with contact 2, because there's nothing there. I'm making contact with number 3, 4, not 5, not 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10, somehow 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, somehow 11, though nothing's going there, 12, not 13, and 14. So, and according to this diagram, 11 doesn't have anything going to it. But it's still there, that's fine. But this is the bad one, but it does not go to green, yellow. Green, yellow is the one that goes to the green, yellow wire. I don't know if that focuses enough, is what is going to the right rear window switch. So, hope that's popping up. Anyway, right rear switch, green, yellow, blue, black, and the yellow wire. But the yellow wires are spliced off from a point. One of the yellows goes to the switch, blue, black, green, yellow. I went and ordered this guy off Amazon just to kind of see if my if I was going to be correct, right? So 1 is going to, not 2, is going to 3, 4, not 5, 6, which is the yellow green, 7, 8, 9, not 10, 11, 12, not 13, and 14. So something's wrong with my board. So if you end up having any issues with your window or windows, understand that all the wires do have to pass through this switch in the driver seat. If you unplug that, no power will go anywhere. You have to have your master control switch plugged in. Roll down the passenger front, doors, but the switch is unplugged in the passenger door. They won't roll down. They have to pass through the switch. The wires that go to the master control switch is a great place to start when you start to have some window issues. I was happy that, my issue was kind of just right in front of me. So I was able to do that. I've swapped in the new speaker since and repaired the harness. Just something I thought I'd share. I'm in the middle of doing this interior stuff right now, but thought I would just dedicate, a quick little video to it. I hope this helps you in your window issue. Dreamer do, it's up to you. Till next time.